it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for longer and fuller looking lashes, then you are going to love this mascara from Fifth and Skin. Not only does it make my lashes look so good, I don't curl them or anything before I apply, but also this is perfect for sensitive eyes. I really appreciate that because I have watery eyes that are often irritated because of environmental things around me. Even though I have watery eyes and this is not waterproof, it doesn't smudge or run during the day. Also, it just removes with water, and I use a microfiber cloth. It's perfect. There's not residual and it washes off so cleanly. I got the color black. It also comes in brown. Before I apply, I wipe any excess mascara off on the rim of the tube, and then that makes sure that it goes on clump free. But even if I don't do that, I haven't experienced any clumps with this mascara either. It really is just top of the line, amazing mascara. I'm beyond pleased with how beautiful this mascara makes my lashes look and that it doesn't irritate my eyes at all. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.